Hey, what's up everybody? Today's Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to y'all. This is just gonna be a really quick unboxing of a RoboRock product. I'm sure most of you know by now because I told most of you I ordered it. So I'll just go ahead and tell you. So RoboRock S4 Max. I'm very excited to try this guy out. I think it's gonna be just as good, if not possibly better, than the S5, which I absolutely love. And I needed to do this unboxing because this is robot number 10 of a big test I'm doing. That's more just for fun than it is serious. So I'm gonna have 10, I have 10 robot vacuums, this is number 10. And I'm gonna have all 10 of them going around cleaning up a giant mess. And once again, like I said, it's just more for fun, but it should be a pretty cool video. It's gonna take me a very long time to record, but we'll see how it goes. It might be more of a pain than it's worth, but that's okay. I enjoy doing these videos for you guys, and it seems like some of my most popular videos are the crazy ones, so here we go. Let's just check this guy out. A box in a box. There we go, RoboRock S4 Max. This is going to be a very good vacuum. Recently I was kind of disappointed with the RoboRock E4, but that's kind of their dumber version that doesn't have LiDAR. I expect big things from this. I expect it to do a very good job. And honestly, I expect it to be as good as my S5. So let's check it out. Alright, so once again, this is the S4 Max. Comes with most likely an extra air filter. Power cord, of course, you have to have that. Manuals and then a quick start guide. And that is it for the top layer. This one, once again, is the model without the robot mop, and I couldn't be happier to just have that completely off this machine. That's one thing I could care less about, is a mopping ability of any robot vacuum, as most of you know if you've been following this channel. RoboRock, RoboRock, RoboRock. One quick thing I noticed about the difference between the S5 and this one uses the rubber side brush. It's all rubber. The S5 does have, you know, the rubber and then a brush. And I believe this has a couple more legs, if you will. But there's the bottom of it. Top, very good looking robot. I like the silver that goes around. And of course, it comes with a charging dock, because, well, why wouldn't it? And that is it. I like that they give you the extra filter, but I'm surprised they don't give you one extra side brush. That's okay. And that is it. Power this bad boy on. And I don't know if everybody knows this, but the LiDAR-based systems, because it sticks up here, this is usually a button. So it won't get stuck underneath your couch or run into something hard and break this off. So you don't have to worry about that. So once it pushes on a couch or something, this goes down and then it knows to back off. Okay, it does come with a cutaway brush. This is for hair that gets tangled in the roller. I'll do a test with that later and show you how well this guy does with hair.
Dustbin removed.
And then here's the dustbin. Looks like a little bit smaller of a dustbin than the S5. Which I'm surprised they couldn't give you a little bit bigger dustbin since this does not have the mopping attachment. That's okay.
Dustbin
And that's it. I just wanted to do a super quick video of the unboxing. Let you guys know what's coming up on this channel, which is lots and lots of stuff. I've ordered a ton of different robot vacuums. I got upright vacuums from Shark and Dyson coming, as well as Bissell. And there's just gonna be a ton of videos popping up on this channel. So if you're into robot vacuums or vacuums in general, definitely click that subscribe button, that notification bell to see all the upcoming videos. And if you don't mind, leave a like. Have an awesome day and stay tuned for the next crazy test I have coming up, which I plan on doing tonight, which will probably take like 4 to 6 hours, but that's okay. Have an awesome day. See you guys.